Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to share documents on screen in a Zoom meeting. First, open the Zoom app on your computer or mobile device and make sure you are signed in to your account. Once you are signed in, join the meeting where you want to share your document. You can do this by clicking on the Join button and entering the meeting ID or using an invitation link. After joining the meeting, look at the menu bar at the bottom of your screen. You will see several options like mute, stop video, and others. Find and click on the Share button. This will open a new window showing different sharing options. The first option allows you to share your entire screen. To use this, you should open your document first. This could be a PDF file or any document opened in your preferred viewer such as Word or a browser. Once your document is open, select the screen that shows your document and click Share. Everyone in the meeting will now be able to see your screen and follow along with your document. Another option is the Files section. From here, you can directly share files without opening them on your screen. You will see options like Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox. Choose the platform where your file is stored, sign in if needed, and select the file you want to share. Choose the method that works best for you. When you are finished sharing, click the Stop Share button at the top of your screen. This will end the screen sharing session and return you to the normal meeting view. Thanks for watching.